In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Cloud storage bucket using the Google Cloud Console web interface. Whether you're setting up storage for personal projects or business needs, knowing how to create a GCS bucket is a vital skill in managing your data efficiently on the cloud. Let's begin by signing in to the Google Cloud Console. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, which is a straightforward process. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. Here, you will see a menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Navigate to the Storage option and from there, click on Browser. This section is where you will manage all your cloud storage needs. Now, you will want to create a new bucket, which essentially is a container for your data. Look for the button that says Create Bucket and click on it. This is where the fun begins, naming your bucket. Remember, the bucket name must be globally unique because this name is how you will refer to your bucket in the future. Once it's set, it cannot be changed, so choose wisely. Next, you'll need to decide on a location type for your bucket. This refers to where your data will be stored physically. You have the option of multi-region, dual region, or region. A multi-region setup means your data is distributed across a large geographic area, giving you high availability. Dual region allows for storage in two specific geographic locations, offering a balance between cost and availability. The region option is the most cost-effective, placing your data in a single geographical area. After selecting your location, focus on the storage class. You can choose from Standard, Nearline, Cold Line, or Archive. Standard is perfect for frequently accessed data, while Nearline is more cost-effective for data accessed less than once a month. Cold Line is ideal for data accessed less than once a year, and Archive is the best choice for data you rarely access but need to keep long-term. Moving on, it's time to set your access control model. You have two options, Uniform and Fine-Grained. Uniform is recommended for simplicity, applying the same access policies to all objects in the bucket. On the other hand, Fine-Grained allows for more detailed permissions at the object level. Before finalizing your setup, there are additional configurations you might consider. These include setting up labels for resource management, defining retention policies for data governance, and configuring encryption for extra security. Once you are satisfied with your selections and configurations, go ahead and click Create. Your bucket will now be created, ready for you to start uploading data, secure in the knowledge that it's stored safely in Google Cloud. And there you have it. That's how you create a Google Cloud storage bucket using the web interface. With this new skill, you can handle your data more effectively on the cloud. Thank you for tuning in, and happy cloud computing.